just going to measure off here 20. Now I'm just going to cut it. Starting to take shape. Now I'm just going to get my 2x4. I think I want it a little bigger. Perfect. Cut this one on a point so when you bang it in the ground, it can get down in there.
Every year on Christmas night, I give my nuts a check. I handle them so carefully. This year I got quite a fright when I was mid-inspect. Oh, it upset me terribly. To my dismay, it seems something ain't right. It looks like someone's come and had a bite.
Oh, yeah, and glitter. Who doesn't love glitter? I don't know. But I'm gonna see if I can spray this glitter on almost like little snow on the top of the branches. Aww. Let's get to work. The top piece I'm gonna put some pilot holes because it's such a small piece. I'm sure you know what a pilot hole is. However, if you're not familiar, it's just you take your drill bit, a small one, and you just pre-drill holes so that when you actually put your screw in it, it doesn't split the wood. I'm also going to liquid nails, I don't know, I use that as a verb. Liquid nails each piece in the middle to give it a little bit more stability. Just because I love using liquid nails for everything. We should have a crafting with Boyd time. We can get all the old ladies in the neighborhood and we can just have ourselves a little holiday. I'll lift you guys up so you can see.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh.
Yeah.
Jingle bells all the way. Jingle bells. Take it, Daddy.
See how that looks. Gonna go put it in the ground. Hopefully you found my video, motivating for you to get out and go build something, or at least informative, or at least entertaining. That would be awesome. James Boyd with Sticks and Homes.
It's Christmas time.